Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is David. You join me on the River Wharf, but not where I usually am. Today I'm at Buckden, and this is a river. Oh, rise there. Seen 3 rises so far, one just now, and 2 more up here. Oh, another one. Sadly, I can't fish here because it's Kilnsey Angling Club. Such a shame. Oh, another rise. Because I can easily fish this part of the river. God, the rows of rises here. Ow. Another one. 3, 4. Loads of fish here. And we get another one rise. Nope. Alright, let's go. Oh, excuse the sniffing. Shouldn't have put waders on, chest waders at that. Another part of the river. Looks nice, doesn't it? Looks very nice. Somewhere I can start fishing, but I think it's here, I'm not sure, to be honest. It might be further on, right over there where the gate is. Ugh. I've never fished up here, so I don't know where I'm fishing. Another nice pool. Well, kind of nice. My right eye is streaming with water. Let's have a look at the river here. That was a nice pool. No doubt there's something in it. Yep, nice. Anyway, let's get up here. I brought my 10-foot rod today. Wasn't sure what to bring. It was either this or a shorter rod, split cane. Oh, there's a rise. Oh, another one. Oh, I can see that fish. Oh, good. I think my camera is a bit too high. Oh, yes. Oh, there's a sign there. Kilnsey. Yeah, it is. Oh, wait. Oh. Maybe it's here. I can start fishing. I'm not sure. Oh, it is, yes. Okay then. Dry fly, I think. Yep, I'll tackle up and get back to you. Oh, couldn't fish there because it's steep bank. This looks nice, but It's all steep banks here. Better fishing it there. I do actually have the other side. Looks a lot easier on the other side as well. It's all that clinging, you know. Clinging. Well, I'll miss this bit because there won't be anything there. Well, might be. Nice day out, it's quite warm. If I fail fishing this part of the river, I'll go back down. Well, I'll go downstream. Just over the bridge. I have a tiny F-fly on, size 20. Oh, is that my lord? Yes. Now, what's down here, I wonder? I'll start fishing this, I think. I bet there's something down here. Gaff. Any trees? No, not behind me. That's going to get me away. Cast before someone comes. I think there's a rise up there. I think. Not too sure. I think I'll do better with a shorter rod. Then I can get between the trays. I think I'll go downstream. Yep. Give it a few more casts. Downstream, I think. Oh, go away. Bugs everywhere. God, it's warm today. I really shouldn't have put waders on. Anyway, I've just missed a fish because I was turning the GoPro on. That's what that rise was. Kingfisher. Surprising they're up here.